bro. What we doing today? The same mid fade as usual. Take the top down. You want to do the part again?
Yeah.
And you want the part straight like we usually do, or you want to curve it?
No, the straight joint.
Straight joint back. All right, let's get it. All right, YouTube. So today, as you can see, he had a little slight pushback. I think he lines himself up in between haircuts. Now, I want you guys to understand this. If you are someone watching this, obviously you probably have a barber. I believe every person should have two barbers. Yes, two barbers. Now, I believe one barber should be your regular barber, and I believe you should have a special occasion barber. This is my opinion. You're entitled to your own opinion, but this is just, what I believe in. Now, let's be real. The special occasion barber, he's going to be booked up a lot. Even your regular barber may be booked up. Maybe your regular barber has a loyalty program where you have recurring appointments. I'm not sure. But, a lot of people, I'm not saying I'm better than the average barber. I'm not saying that. But a lot of people choose me as their special occasion barber, and I'm okay with that. And they feel, I'm not saying this client, this is my guy. But a lot of clients, when they get in my chair, they feel awkward because it's like I haven't seen them in 6 months. It's like, bro, I get it. I'm not tripping about nothing. It's the whack barbers that get mad at you for going to someone else. You understand? If you go to someone else and they push you back and then you wolf out for 2 months and come to me, I don't really care. I'm still going to get you right. Now, if you go to someone else and get pushed back 3 days ago and try and come to me, I'm going to be upset because there's nothing much I can do. But yeah, everyone, get yourself two barbers. That's it, two barbers. On a week-to-week basis, if you get your cut every week, I get my cut every 2 to 3 weeks. I got a barber, So I'm taking his hair down with a 1. I completely got sidetracked, but I felt as though that was some valuable information that I had to share. So we're smoothing it down with our one guard with my Babyliss. I'm actually about to trade those clippers in. I'm gonna get rid of them. They don't turn on sometimes. I'm really not for it. Not sure what's up with Babyliss, but the customs be tweaking. I'm gonna keep the trimmers, but the clippers, they just suddenly turn off on random times, and then I have to reconnect it to the charging port to turn it back on, and then it's fine. I'm not for that. I don't have time for that. So we're going to trade those in and get another color. So we're going to start this fade. We're going to do a mid fade. No drop. Just a straight mid fade. And this haircut fits his head perfectly. He's been getting this cut since he first came to me. Mid fade with a part. That's it. Gets a straight part. So yeah, let's get it. I set in the guidelines pretty sloppy in his hair because his hair requires a lot of detail work. So I kind of just rushed through my process. So right here, this is me just rushing through, smoothing it over. And now I'm gonna detail it and actually blend it. So right here, this isn't the finished fade, but with some slight corner work with my different clippers, switching a few guards, it's a solid fade. So we're gonna do the same exact thing to the sides and the back. And the gold clippers, honestly, are my favorite clippers to detail with currently. I love Babyliss clippers. Prior in the video, it wasn't me bashing them. Every company has glitches and tweaks they gotta fix. But honestly, my favorite clippers are Babyliss clippers and trimmers too. They got the best trimmers in the game. And the clippers are tolerable in my opinion. A lot of people complain about them, but I love them. They cut every texture. And I just use the wall guards. I don't use The only Babyliss guards I use is like the 1.5 to 2 to 3 and the 4. That's it. I'm not using all the other ones. So for his hairline, notice how the entryway for the part that we're gonna do is kind of a light spot there. That's fine. We're gonna leave that there. So we're gonna start in the middle, kind of towards the right side, drag it over. And this corner right here, it gives me trouble sometimes because the hair is like growing sideways. So I got my hitters, these my hitters. We're gonna work this corner, try and get it as sharp as possible. And he requested the pencil. He really likes the tan pencil. Not only on the vertical bars, but he likes it on the whole hairline. So that's what we're gonna do, just to fulfill his request. So after the line's in there, don't spray the enhancements. Just go ahead and do the part if your client wants the part. Now with this, I'm starting with my soft trimmers. And I'm starting with the top side first, and then we're gonna flip it over and hit the bottom. And you wanna make it thick, but not too thick. And you don't wanna leave it skinny. But I'd rather you leave it skinny than thick, honestly. We're gonna use our enhancements. Shout out Tomb 45. I believe this is the black color. I used the black this time. Not spraying it too dark because we're still gonna use the pencil. The pencil is an enhancement also. People like to say it's not, but it definitely is. We're gonna clean up his face before we use the pencil. Now I prefer to cut like this, maybe with a little pencil on the vertical bar. Honestly, he didn't even need it sharp, but he wanted the pencil, so you know. Now my personal opinion of the pencil, I believe the pencil can throw the hairline off. It can, because it kind of draws unnecessary attention to the skin below the lineup. We're gonna hit his mustache. He likes it very skinny. So I'm gonna start drawing it. I did the vertical bars first, and then I'm dragging it. This is the hardest part right here, like towards the middle, because like the curvature of the head, it kind of throws the pencil off. We're gonna freehand trim it heavily, making sure all the loose hairs are gone. And this is his reaction. This is how my client came in. My man's C cup was pushed. We had to get him right. And this is how he's leaving. It's your boy 4. I'm out. Peace.